Welcome to Politricks Watch. This is Seaview. Now, today I'm going to be showing you a video, or part of a video. Right, I'm not going to show the full thing. I don't know how you walk this. You're going to see, right, their wanton disregard, right, for human lives, civilians, in the matter. See, I tell them to say, one thing one time, I talk about it. One thing one time, I describe it. But one time when I see it and hear it, that's a whole different thing. But before I show the video, just want to touch on something. For about a minute or two. I see the JCF put out a piece of data, and it tied into something I did in a video a while back. But I tell them to say 87s, right, are actually getting more destructive in terms of the amount of people them kill compared to the amount of incidents, as in the amount of shooting incidents. In that video, I tell them to say, in my opinion, it's because, right, of the type of weapons what they have, right, the type of weapons in my fire. The JCF basically come out and they put out some data, and the commissioner, right, is basically saying that they might realize too. Listen to this. There were 19 shooting incidents and a total of 39 murders. You know how 19 shootings end up reach 39 dead people? There were 18 double murders and 1 triple murder. Now obviously double murders and triple murders are not exactly new to Harriman, but the frequency. When 87s used to roll out, right, there was a time when them used to argue over who forget the rifle. If you remember in my Nevada Hodges video, I tell them to say it was the same arguing over who forget which rifle and who forget the bossy gun them. That helped make enough people hear say them are planning something, and it end up save enough lives. Sometimes I wonder what would have happened if Hodges and them knew they'd have the kind of firepower the 87s have now, where they wouldn't have to argue over who forget rifle. Everybody could have get one, because that's how things stay now. Right, we say even gangs that are not well known, even gangs that are not considered are the biggest in the country, right, they might go up on them shootings and all 5 of them are step and the 5 of them are carry rifles. The caliber of the round them are fire are so lethal, and there's now a higher volume of lethal rounds from said high velocity weapons. That's it's going to make double murders and triple murders easier to carry out. It's even though 87s are known for them while shooting, and they're not exactly snipers, they don't need to be. The attacks them carry out are majority close range. They don't need to be a marksman. Them AR don't even need a scope on it. The person with them a shot is so close that them don't actually need to look through a scope or look through the sights. Anyway, we can move into the video. This takes place in a Seaview yard. Like I showed in the video, right? The full video is on Patreon because I can't show the shooting part them, and they probably can't find it on the various popular social media pages then. But check this out. Now, if it wasn't real life, you would have seriously had some kind of Benny Hill or some kind of Three Stooges comedy show. When you hear the gunshot them, when you hear the pit them a bar, When they see people are running Pitney, when they see the woman them are grab up Pitney and a scatter, they don't show you right, that on the Harryman posters. They don't show you that's at Jamaica. But it's a reality for many citizens. You see, for years now, law-abiding residents in some of these communities in Harryman have been crying out for help. They've been crying out for swift and decisive action. You see the whole part run up and down and go on and shut a fly all over the place. This is how Pitney pick up stray rounds. This is how Granny pick up stray rounds. The man them a run back a man because the man them a run down one youth. The youth gone way down the road, them still let off one bag of wild shot because them need to bust up some shot. So that's when they go up on the corner and can laugh and say, yeah man, me fire about 10 off of the boy and he wants the boy to run like him thinks say, you man Usain Bolt and while them laugh. What you seen in that video, it's all fun and games to them. Except when it's time for them get the retribution. And you have a next set of Jamaicans who are going to tell us if we talk about the quote unquote good things to them because in a film world, this not happen. So when you bring up this now, you are ruining for them day. How dare you? How dare you ruin my day while I'm having my espresso mocha chocolate pina colada? Now I have to be seeing all this crime nonsense. Now I have to be hearing about gunshots. I don't want to hear about no gunshots. But when you talk about the jerk chicken, there are people in Jamaica who they will not test. This way you see happening at Seaview. But as long as it happens in a Seaview, as long as it happens in a central village, Chediga Park, Lariston, Garden, as long as them places happen, then you go hear we soon this and we soon that. But the people that want to say we soon this and we soon that, your favorite leaders, your favorite activists, any day them experience this, any day for them pitting the ball, like how you see, right, them pitting a ball at Seaview, then there'll be no more need for the channel because one of understand, telling the powers that be about crime in Jamaica is like telling me about period pain. Me hear what you say, but ultimately I can't relate. Me hear what you say, and I mean it sound bad, but I'll never truly understand what going on. So the most we can do is shake me and say, boy, it's rough. And alright, we will get round to this and we're going to try to see if we can do this. But back in my mind, I know say, this really don't affect me like that. So I'm not as motivated to get things done to help fix it or cure the issue. Remember, when was the last time we see them act swift and decisive? Big C. Because it was brand new and nobody never understand it. So, because them afraid and them things say, oh Lord have mercy, we have to make sure that this get done. They were swift and decisive. But crime, gang violence, gang shootings, I mean, we'll get round to it. We will see. Anyway, Patreon squad, pick up on yourself. Yeah, I don't know, more life. Walter squad, stay circling. Bless.